Okay. Okay, Dante, number 2. What is the answer?
There are 3 donkeys.
Very good. Write it. Okay. They don't? Can you read it? Can you read it?
There are 3 donkeys.
Very good, Dante. Okay, Gael. The cat is between the boxes. Go. The cat is between the boxes. Can you say that?
The cat is between
The boxes.
the boxes.
Very good, Gael. Ethan, pick a picture. Pick a picture, Ethan. What is this? Sofa. What is the correct place for the sofa? Very good. What is the correct place? Okay, keep dancing. Keep dancing. Dante, go, go.
Socks,
Yes.
and hat,
Yes.
pants,
Good job.
books,
Good job.
scarf, gloves.
Good job, Dante. Come on, Gael. Come on. Come on, Gael.
Blue jacket.
Yes. Say that, Gael. Good job.
Socks. Socks. T-shirt.
You have to say that, Gael. Dilo. Say that.
T-shirt. Hat.
Hat.
Jeans.
Jeans or pants.
Boots. Scarf.
Very good.
Gloves.
Very good. Go, Tadeo. Go, Tadeo. Okay, very good, Tadeo. Good job. Go, Tadeo. Okay, Tadeo, tell me. This.
La panza de lunchbox.
Good job.
Tiene hambre, pero.
Mm-hmm.
This is a pen.
Very good.
This is a stopper.
Yes.
This is a glue.
Good job. Good job. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Okay.
This is a
Why?
fiber.
Yes. Very good. Ahora en plural. Plural.
They are
Excelente. Muy bien. They are.
a
No, el síguela. They are.
two markers.
Yes. Very good.
There are tools.
They
They are
scissors.
scissors.
Yes. Very good.